Part 2, Powering the Beast. In Part 1, we built the body. Now it's time to give it a heartbeat. Remember the homemade batteries we built in the last video? We'll use those as the core. Each battery outputs 12 volts, so connect them in series until you reach your motor's voltage, usually 48 or 72 volts. Use thick gauge wiring to handle the current, and always insulate connections. One short circuit can fry everything. Mount batteries low in the frame for stability. Old seat mounts, reinforced crates, or welded trays work well. Strap them down tight. Bumps and turns will shake them loose otherwise. Next, you need a motor controller, the brain of your EV. Salvage one from an electric forklift or order from pre-collapsed stock if you're lucky. Wire it between your battery pack and motor, following polarity carefully. Install a breaker or fuse for safety. If something fails, you want the breaker to die, not you. You can use an old motorcycle throttle or a foot pedal from a golf cart. Wire it into the controller's input so it regulates speed. Test it with the wheels lifted before hitting the road. Check all bolts, wires, and connections. Then, power on. Start slow, test the brakes, and feel how the motor responds. Out here, your life depends on every part working right. And that's it, your own electric vehicle, built from the ashes of the old world. But the road ahead is dangerous, and in the next build, we'll armor this ride for survival.